Hi, I'm Robert Cook. I'm a volunteer master gardener with the University of Maryland Extension, and we're out here at the Learning Garden at the Maryland State Fairgrounds. And today, I want to talk to you about pantyhose and about growing vertically. If you have a small garden, but you really want to grow melons, there's only one way that you can do that, and that's growing up. Here, we have a wonderful trellis. All types of trellises will do. The melons aren't particularly particular about the trellises they grow on. But if you grow melons vertically, one thing you have to be aware of is when they get ripe, they will automatically release from the vine and they will do a suicide dive to the ground. So you need something to catch them just at the moment of ripeness, and that's where our pantyhose comes in. If you can find someone who has some spare pantyhose, they make wonderful diapers for our melons. So leave the melons on the vine until they separate, and once you see them drop into the pantyhose, you know you have a melon that's sweet, tender, and ready to eat.